Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. Let's solve it together. If a function f satisfies f1 equals 4 and f3 is 10, and another function g satisfies g of 0 equals -2 and g of 3 is 5, what is the value of f of g of 0? So over here, first of all, we need to understand that this means that you will need to find the g of 0 first inside of the parentheses, which is already given actually in the question. G of 0 is given as -2. So instead of this g of 0, I will go ahead and write -2. So I'm looking for the value of f -2, but f -2 is not given. f1 and the f3 is given, but the f of -2 is not given. So therefore, we will need to find the value of f of -2. I'm going to suggest you to use y equals mx plus b format for the linear functions. In this case, this is the x value, this is the y value. So if you will rewrite the equation, and here is the same thing for the x, and this is the y value. I'm going to start writing from the second one. So 10 is equals to, instead of x, I'm going to put 3 in here, 3m plus b. And I'm going to write the first one. And the first one is given, y is given as 4. For the x, we'll just substitute 1m plus b. To find the value of m, I'm going to go ahead and subtract both sides. These cancel each other out. 10 minus 4 is 6. And 3m minus m is 2m. And we will divide both sides by 2. Then m will be equals to 3. To find the value of b, I will use one of the equation. Let's use this one to substitute the value of m. So 4 is equals to m is 3 plus b. Take away 3 from both sides. So b is 1. So our function, f function, is, if you will rewrite it again, it is equals to y equals 3x plus 1. So since I have the f of x equals as 3x plus 1, to find the value of, remember, we were trying to find the value of f of -2. I'm going to substitute -2 for x. Then f of -2 will be 3 times -2 is -6 plus 1. f of -2 is -5. So the right choice for the specific question is C then. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.